What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is my little quick installation / review on this Let's Roll Dolly that I got for the bike. Yes, I finally got some goodies for it, so we're gonna be uploading a few more videos. Alright, so boom, check it out. This Dolly came with 100% certification. Not too much parts you need an installation, so it's a little quick, simple. Take about 15 minutes. Very self-explanatory. You got your 9/16 socket, your 3/4 socket, and your 7/8 socket. The Dolly comes with four-caster swivel. You got your two mounted brackets, and then you got your jack, and then you got the roller assembly. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this installation. First off, your mounted brackets, you'll go ahead and put this on. You have two setting, I guess these are the height points that you could put on there. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the highest point. Alright, so we're gonna get your bracket. Alright, you're gonna take that. You got your screw, you're gonna put your washer through it. Then you're gonna put another washer on the end, and you're gonna put these on the end as well. So go ahead and get into that. Like I said, I'm gonna put mine at the highest point. I'm gonna just go ahead and get these through real quick. Me, I like to hand tighten these at first, and then I'll come back with the drill and drill those in. There's no specific torque specs that you gotta do with these, so I guess it's whatever you comfortable with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side. Another thing, when you're installing this, you want to make sure this long, they got two different lengths. This long side is facing the longer side of the Dolly, and then you're good. And do the same thing with the other side. I'm gonna take my 9/16s. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. Comfortable. Alright, then you got the swivel wheels. Two of these wheels is regular, and then you got two of these wheels that have locking mechanism. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them across from each other, just to help balance it out. You're gonna take your nut and your washer, you'll put the wheel on there. Tighten it in. Boom, and that's it. Alright, so once you get finished with that, this right here is one of the most important parts, your jack. It comes with a bolt that you have over here. That's the lifting mechanism. Where you put it at? I'm tweaking. Alright, so yeah. So you got this right here. And the most important part is this. Is you want to make sure you grease this. Let me get some gloves on. You want to make sure you grease this bolt. Without greasing this, it will void your warranty. So that's one of the first things you want to go ahead and do. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. So just make sure you get it all in the threads. Oh, this shit messy. Alright, so once you got this all threaded up, you gotta put that in here. Like I said, hand tight it, because hand tight at first, because you could definitely cross thread them. And that's the last thing you want to do. So Nice, simple. Alright, so now I got the dolly on the floor. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this up and just, you know, double check, make sure everything's tightened up. Alright, I got the jack halfway where I wanted it at. I'm gonna go ahead and start jacking it up. You ain't gotta I'm gonna go ahead and just hold this just in case. Yeah, that's pretty decent though, right there. Pretty sturdy. Yeah, definitely sturdy. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here and put this rolling on this side. Looks pretty even. Yeah, lock these wheels up, and I'm gonna slowly drop it down on here. And then once I drop this one here, I should be able to pull out the jack. Got a little light on. Alright, so now slide this jack out. Take the wheels, chocks off. Take these gloves off. Unlock this side. And then let's see this thing roll. Oh boy. Now tell me that's not convenient. Whole 360? Oh yeah. Quick. Oh yeah. I'm rocking with it, so yeah. Y'all see it? So if you're looking for a nice little jack system for your garage, convenient. This is a 2-in-1 system. You got the jack that lifts the bike up, and then once the bike is lifted up, you can set it on the dolly and you can roll it around, move it to storage, move it out the way if you need to turn around. If you tight space in the garage, drive it up, turn it around, get ready for the next day. This is definitely the jack for you. Capability holding up 1,200 pounds. Like I said, this is a nice jack system. So I'm happy with the purchase. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for future videos of me and Phantom. I'm out.